on my way to Koh Rong Samloem. Where are you from? Germany, alright. Talking to my friend from Germany here. Say hello. Hey. Just pulling into the pier. These are all the people waiting to leave the island. More room for me. Alright, so just got on a little tiny boat to go to Sarah Resort. No roads, so everything's done by boat. This will be my room. I actually got upgraded to a family room, which is a bigger room and a lot of beds for just me. But and just looking out the back. And this is Sarah Resort. So let me get situated and I will be back soon. Peace out. Love ya. So they do some nice towel work for your bath towels. So just came out of the room. Hello. Let's take a look at the beach here at least. It is white sand beaches. Weather's beautiful. And this all resorts and retreats. I think this is the only road on the island, and it's just to walk across to the other side. Alright. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna walk across the island. I think it's at this point, I think it's 30-minute walk. So let's check it out. See if we can get a little bit of sunset. Hey, just no? You don't want to be a camera? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna walk across the island, but yeah, I was just told that that was the most waves in a long time, so that's my luck. Every island I go to, yeah, whenever I go to the beach, bud, happens every time. High tide, big waves. Yeah. So maybe tomorrow will be better. So I'm still walking across the island, as you can see. There's a lazy beach and Sunset Beach. No vehicles, no traffic, no noise. Hello. This is it's pretty tranquil out here. Just kind of walking through the jungle of the island. Looks like they're gonna build houses and stuff out here, of course. Always gonna build something. So still walking my way through to the beaches. It's pure nature, untouched for the most part. As you can see, right now it's just me and the forest and the birds. So there's still places to see in the world before it's overcome by concrete. So get your ass out there and Do it now. Changes fast. I wouldn't be surprised in 5 years this got freaking hotels, and as you can see they were building some little pads for houses. Might have been for the natives, but it won't take long. Alright, so still walking to Sunset Beach. Here's a look at what I'm headed to. Yeah, I wore beach shoes. Not the best to walk on this rock. It hurts a little bit, but I thought it was just a path to the other side, but it's a little bit of a hike. Okay. Yeah, I'm out of breath. Ooh, hello. Not easy, is it?
Oh,
Wow.
going down is more difficult.
Going back down?
Going down, you going to?
Yeah.
Yeah, going down is more difficult.
Oh,
But
great.
there's ropes.
Yeah, okay, good. I thought it was just a straight path.
Oh no.
Oh, no. All right. See you in a bit. Good luck, bud. Oh, great. Going down to the beach. It's a lot harder than this. Can't wait. So I just got to the top of the mountain a minute ago on my way to the beach. And yeah, and now I'm gonna head down the other side of the mountain. It looks like a beast. Doable. It's not bad. Seen that old guy doing it. They're Cambodian. They're just running down it like it's nothing with flip-flops. Man, I'm a pussy. Oh man, don't get old, man. Don't get old. Just seen a sign that said coffee shop. Man, I can't wait for a nice, hot, steaming cup of coffee after walking over a mountain in 90-degree weather with 95% humidity. This is what I want, a nice hot cup of coffee. Can't wait. Hope they show a sign that says Pepsi or Coca-Cola or slushy. That would be good. I haven't seen it yet. But, alright, almost there. Alright, and I made it. Found myself some civilization. Let's go take a look at the water before the sun goes down anymore. Just watching the sunset. Resting from that long hike over here. That's about it. Chilling out. If it wasn't for one boat motor out there in the ocean, it would be pure silent, just the waves. Oh yeah. So we gotta hear out a place like right here. Anyway, better video, prettier video, that's for sure, than this ugly mug. guess there's not even any Wi-Fi over here.